Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's, happy 2020s. So let's begin with this. Get ready with me. I'm just gonna be playing around with makeup. Like, I just feel like wearing makeup right now. I already did my eyebrows. I already did a updated eyebrow routine that is gonna be in the description box below, so go check it out. I'm gonna moisturize my face with the Shock Glowing Moisturizer. And as you guys can see, I did another earring. But this one is the one that I already have for like a long time since I was born. But I wanted it another piercing, so I did one on top of it, and I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do one of these for the longest. This one looks kind of different from this one because this one is more closer to here and this one's more separate to here. And the girl should have done it like a little bit on the top, just a little bit. What do you guys think? Can you guys see the difference? I'm gonna prime my face using this Nika 24K Gold Face Primer. I did a review about this primer. 3,000 plus people had watched that video. Thank you so much. If you haven't checked it out, the link is gonna be in the description box below, so just go check it out. And this is a great primer. I love this primer, and if you have dry skin, I truly recommend you guys getting this primer because it's the best for dry skin. If you have oily skin, I don't know if it's gonna work for you because it gives you a luminosity. So now I'm gonna lift my face like that because I want to set the primer first. So I'm gonna continue with the eyes. I'm gonna prime my lid with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this one is in Deep Tan. For today's palette, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Gilded palette. I'm taking this color here. So how's the 2020 is going so far for you guys? For me, it's still the same. I just cannot believe that we are in 2020 already, and 2019 is like gone and it's not coming back ever again. That in a blink of an eye, I was like, whoa, we are in 2020 already. Taking a crease brush, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna take Morocco. I had it the best Christmas ever. Have you guys saw the last video that I did, the what I got for Christmas 2019? I cannot believe I got all of that, man. You know, a lot of tutorials are coming your way. I'm really excited about that. For my lid, I'm taking this color. This is the Alluring. I'm gonna go with mascara, taking the Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I don't know if I should apply false lashes or not, but you know what? I'm gonna apply some lashes. Nothing completes this look if you don't apply lashes. I'm taking the lashes that I purchased from eBay, and I'm taking my favorite glue, thanks to my friend. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. Thank you for the recommendation. This glue is just amazing. It's the bomb. If you haven't tried it out, I truly recommend you guys trying it. I'm gonna move on with the foundation. I was gonna plan on using this foundation, this LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, but I'm gonna test out this new foundation that I got as an example. This is the Estee Lauder foundation. They gave me the color bronze. I did apply it at the store, but it was looking horrible because I didn't moisturize my face and I didn't prime my face, so the foundation was just sitting there. So I just want to apply it again now that my face is all moisturized and primed. At the store, I really kind of like, I did like it, but not as much because like I say, I didn't moisturize my face and I didn't prime my face. So I'm just gonna apply it again. It smells like the MAC foundation. It has a chemical smell to it. Gonna take the Juvia's brush. I should have tested out, just thinking about it right now, I should have tested out when planning on going somewhere because I'm not planning on going nowhere right now. I'm just playing around with makeup. When it came out, I think it was expensive, right? I think it was like for $60 or so like that. Now they have it for $48. It does give you a medium coverage when you apply one layer, but I still can see the redness on my cheek on this side. So I'm gonna apply a second layer on top of it. I'm gonna see if you can build it up. I haven't seen no review on this foundation. I wanted to test it out myself, like to find out for my own opinion and see if this foundation works for dry skin. This foundation gives you a medium to full coverage. One layer it gives you a medium coverage, but when you build it up with the second layer it gives you full coverage. So this foundation you can build it up and it does look matte. I don't see no luminosity with this foundation. This shade is too light for me. You can see the difference from my face and my neck. I think I should go one shade darker if I'm thinking about buying the full bottle. I don't think I like this foundation. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. This foundation is sitting on top of my skin. Right here, it looks khaki. For me, I really don't like this foundation. I would not purchase the foundation. I was thinking about getting the foundation, but now that I got the example and I have tried it out, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. If you have oily skin, maybe you guys will like it, but me that I have dry skin, I don't like it. So I'm just gonna continue on with finishing the makeup. I'm gonna contour my face using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This one is medium to dark, and I'm gonna contour my face. I'm just gonna bronze my face with the scope. For blush, I'm gonna take the Party blush, and this one is a nice mauvey rosy color. I don't think it will look nice with this look. Like, I think for this look I should have worn like a peachy color instead of a rosy color, but I already applied it, so I cannot go backward. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution highlighter. This one, I don't know the name of this one. I could find it, I will put it in the screen or gonna be in the description box below if I cannot find the name of it. I'm gonna take the gold color here. Looking for my highlighter brush. I'm gonna take the Sigma highlighter brush, and I'm just taking the same gold color but just with a different brush. I'm gonna go back again with that palette, and I'm gonna take the Morocco color here, and I'm gonna be applying it on my lower lash line. Gonna go back again with that eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of that black color here, and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner up to the crease, just to smoken it out just a little bit more. I'm gonna take Sweet Life again, and I'm just gonna warm it out just a little bit on the crease. Going back with the mascara. For my lips, I'm first gonna line my lips using the Jordana lip liner in Natural Silk. And for the liquid lipstick, I'm taking the Milani liquid lipstick in Adorable. that is it, you guys. This is the complete look. I just not gonna set this makeup because I'm not going nowhere. I'm so down about the foundation. I just don't like the foundation. I forgot to put highlighter on my inner corner. See, I always forget that. I go with the glam color. Now the makeup is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me / testing out this Estee Lauder foundation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and as well turn on your notification bell so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm the highest in the room.